Welcome to 5 Minute English, everyone. You've sent over some really interesting sources about using simple daily practices from positive psychology, you know, ways to boost happiness.
Right, and specifically how AI tools might actually help make these habits stick.
Yeah.
Things like gratitude journaling, daily affirmations.
Reflecting on your wins, setting meaningful goals, tracking positive experiences, and mindfulness and breathing exercises, too.
Exactly. We all know consistency is key, but it's often, well, challenging.
Totally. So our mission today is to dive into how AI is trying to make these positive psychology practices maybe a bit more accessible,
Okay.
easier to keep up with.
Yeah, let's explore that. It's kind of fascinating using tech, often seen as distracting, to actually support well-being. Where should we start? Journaling.
Good idea. Your sources mentioned some cool AI-powered journaling apps, Reflectly, Journey, and Stoic.
Mm-hmm.
And these aren't just like blank digital pages. They use AI to give you personalized prompts.
Oh, yeah.
Things like, what made you smile today? Or maybe, what did you learn from a challenge you faced? Little nudges to get you thinking.
Okay, interesting. And the AI does more than just prompt, right? It analyzes.
Exactly. It looks at your entries, identifying trends, maybe noticing if you're using more positive or negative words over time.
Right. So it can sort of pick up on your underlying mood and maybe even suggest things based on that, like affirmations or quotes.
Yeah, that's the idea. Tailored suggestions. It's pretty smart.
Okay, and that connects to mood tracking too, I guess. The sources mentioned apps like Wysa and Youper.
Right. And it's more than just you tapping a smiley face. They seem to dig a bit deeper, looking for emotional patterns in, well, how you write, or even how you sound, if you use voice input.
Detecting patterns through text or voice. And the key thing seems to be the follow-through.
What do you mean?
Well, if the app detects you're feeling down, it doesn't just, note it down. It might actually suggest something practical.
Like taking a walk, or maybe doing a quick breathing exercise, or even calling a friend.
Precisely. Immediate, sort of actionable suggestions based on your current state.
Okay, makes sense. Now, what about building habits long term?
Yeah.
The sources mentioned Smart Habit Builders, Fabulous, and Habitica came up.
Yeah, those ones often use gamification. They apply machine learning to make forming habits feel a bit more like, well, a game.
Fun. How does the AI part work there?
It learns from you, suggests new habits that might align with your goals, sends timely reminders. It can even adjust how difficult a habit feels as you get better at it.
That's clever. Adapting the challenge level.
Yeah, it keeps it engaging without being overwhelming.
Okay. And then there's a whole area of setting goals and staying motivated. Assistants like Replica and Coach.ai.
Right. These can act almost like a digital coach, asking clarifying questions to help you set goals, track your progress.
And maybe give you a pep talk if you need it.
That's part of it too, yeah. Offering motivational conversations if you feel stuck or lose momentum.
Cool. One last area was AI-generated affirmations and visualizations.
Yes. So language models, like chatbots, can actually help create custom affirmations just for you, based on what you tell them you need.
And visualization. How does AI help there?
It can provide, say, a detailed script to guide your mental imagery, like imagining yourself acing that exam or giving a really confident presentation.
So it structures the visualization process,
Hmm.
which can help build hope, self-belief, that kind of thing.
Exactly. Focuses the emotional energy.
Okay, so just to recap quickly,
Yeah.
we've touched on AI journaling apps like Reflectly, Journey, Stoic, mood trackers like Wysa and Youper, habit builders like Fabulous, Habitica, goal-setting assistants like Replica, Coach.ai, and AI for affirmations and visualizations.
Quite a range of tools.
Definitely. And the sources also pulled out some useful English expressions related to all this. Let's quickly run through them.
Good idea.
First, stick to. Like, AI reminders help users stick to their gratitude practice, keeping consistent.
Right. Then build up, as in these small daily wins build up your confidence over time. Gradual accumulation.
Okay. And pick up on, like, the AI picks up on your mood from the way you write, detecting subtle things.
Mm-hmm. Stay on track. Useful for goals. Mood apps help you stay on track with emotional well-being goals. Maintaining progress.
Got it. Also work towards, like she's working towards a calmer, more mindful lifestyle, moving in a direction.
And finally, feel stuck. We mentioned this earlier. When you feel stuck, AI chatbots can offer a motivational boost. Getting past a block.
Great examples. So lots of ways AI is being integrated.
It really makes you think, doesn't it?
Yeah.
So maybe a final thought for our listeners. Just consider how bringing even one of these AI tools into your routine might, shift things for you, both daily and maybe in the longer run for your well-being.
Something definitely worth mulling over.